We experience everything: a woman turning into a mother, the process of her becoming pregnant for the first time, the first cry of the child, the fall, the sweet smile, the first walk, everything. We have experienced the love a bird has for its chicks. We have seen them feeding their chicks with all their heart and hard work. We have experienced the emotions of speechless animals. We make people realize their beauty because we have a sense of beauty and we perceive that beauty correctly. We know the lightings of Diwali, the excitement of Eid on Eid, the colors of Holi, the orange sky of Sankranti, the drum beats during Ganesh Chaturthi, the Garba of Navratri, and the gifts of Christmas. We know every person in the city. We know their joy, their sorrows. Every face in the crowd is special. We empathize with each one of them. We know the bride's first mehendi, her expressions, her sneaky looks at the groom, her emotional moment and bidai. We know everything because we capture every moment of life. The moment may have gone, but we preserve them forever. Every moment has a story, and we are the storytellers through the lens. We are the photographers. Wish you a very happy World Photography.